If you need to block someone on Neteller, the process is straightforward and can be completed quickly. Follow these steps to ensure you can manage your contacts effectively. Step 1. Log into your Neteller account. Begin by visiting the Neteller website or opening the mobile app. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to the contacts section. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Find the person you want to block. Scroll through your list of contacts or use the search function to locate the individual you wish to block. Click on their profile to view more options. Step 4. Select the block option. On the profile page of the contact, look for an option that says block or remove. Click on this option to initiate the blocking process. Step 5. Confirm the action. A confirmation prompt may appear asking if you are sure you want to block this person. Confirm your choice to finalize the action. By following these steps, you can quickly block someone on Neteller and maintain control over your account interactions. If you have any further questions, refer to Neteller support resources for assistance.